Hello, my name is still Oleg. In this video I will show you how to effectively remove an old image from Plywood. The tool that I hold in my hands in Ukrainian is called цьому. I don't know what this tool is called in English. Please tell me in the comments. I will call this tool a scraper. In this video I will show you how to make this outdated but effective tool. You can of course buy this scraper from some violin maker store, but it will be better if you do it yourself. Let's start. The scraper we are going to make will require spring steel. Let's take it from this spatula. The steel is not high quality, but it is easy to sharpen. Cut off the handle. Round off the sharp corners. Now you need to sharpen the scraper in a special way. First, you need to prepare the blade for sharpening. For this you need the most even surface, in this case a piece of round glass, and sandpaper. Now we sharpen. I use a zinc-plated chainsaw wrench for sharpening. Zinc is very hard metal and will work well, but you can use other tools as well. The task is to roll out the metal, so that such an edge appears, as on the 3D model. It will be a blade. The first blade will not be good enough and must be removed. Let's go back to the previous step. And roll out the metal again. Then, when the blade reappears, move on to the next sharpening step. With such movements, we seem to lower the blade down. Then we lift it back. This is the process of a sharpening blade, lowering the blade and rising back up. Raise the blade again. Now you can try cleaning the plywood. When the blade is well sharpened, it will cling to the wood. If not, the blade must be lowered and rise again. After a while, the blade will become very thin and will be lowered quickly. Then the sharpening of a scraper will have to be repeated from the beginning. That's all for today. See you in next video. Good luck!